knowledge the fellows are having. That means the ownership is already fixed and he knows in and out of every wire. So this should come into SNT, especially telecom. It is not there at all. People normally what they do is they keep some agents everywhere. Okay, who are all at division headquarters type. Okay, everywhere in the sense PSS, they will all be very close to them. Whenever they want to go out somewhere, they'll ask them to give complaint. You give a complaint, immediately they'll take the tool like this and put it uh, right now in the arm, right, and then they'll just like that go and they'll attend the failure or go home. That's all, over. The day is over. Supervisor will not know anything. Somewhere they'll record and go away. Okay, this is what has been happening at most of the places. I am able to catch. Now I am asking them to integrate all the things so that failure monitoring will be done automatic by some of our fellows. They will assign the work. So this, when I was DSC, what I was doing is failure will be like the complaint will be written by the operator in a book. They will tell the ESM to go. So that means complaint also is registered sequentially. I will know how many complaints have come, where from the complaint has come. It will all be registered. Otherwise, all these complaints, even now, if you ask Trivandrum Division, it is all orally taken. Nowhere record will be there. How many failures have happened yesterday? Nobody will know anything. How many have been attended? How many have not been attended? Nobody will know. Okay, that should not be the case. There should be record for each and every failure, later date, which which component is failing very frequently. You should be able to analyze and take action. Which company's product is failing very frequently. It will not be there. It is not the practice at all. We should come with certain systems, whereas signaling it is available everywhere. Okay, it is getting recorded. So the same thing, signaling also now oral complaint. It is all being attended by people without recording the signal failure register at all places where shift duty is there. Okay. So that is also getting diluted. We should not dilute anything. It should all be recorded somewhere. Then analysis is possible. You can take preventive action and you can do predictive maintenance also. This is what is required to be done during the maintenance. Once in 15 days, every wire should be seen, every equipment has to be seen by the artisan staff. If that can be ensured, there will not be any problem in SNT. Okay, this is what is the management. I want the management to bring things to this level. Then automatically the number of workers will grow. Workers will grow means today JE level or only are doing maintenance. That means the number is limited to 1/3. The moment artisan staff do the work, 3 times the manpower you will be having. Automatically all things can be improved. And as far as possible, integrate things with minimum effort. IPS is one which has reduced many of your workload because 55 cells are there, otherwise 110 cells were there. Everything can be monitored from a centralized place. Many facilities have come. Okay, so yesterday I have seen Nagarkoil, IPS is provided, internal 1, internal 2, indication. So many banks are there, external 1, external 2, everything is available, and even after providing IPS. Okay, and it is a 2000 relay station, right? All those, at least the indication should have been removed. This is a low current circuit, 12 volt circuit. At least that should have got into IPS. Over. Anyway, one full day I'll be inspecting, maybe in November, Nagarkoil and Kanyakumari. One day at Nagarkoil, one day at Kanyakumari. Full day inspection will be there at Nagarkoil. I may do annual inspection. Okay, as ASTE, I will try to do the annual inspection. Okay, that is what is my plan at Nagarkoil. you will know a lot of things. So that was a surprise for me. Okay. Even at Chengalpet, it is not there. Only IPS. No internal 1, no internal 2. We have removed a lot of things. So that is a type of reduction which has to come. Every communication hazard in a station, everything should come get into the same room and try to provide backup power supply. Okay, standby power supply, that means power bank 1, power bank 2 should be there. Both should drive 2 power supply card of communication equipment. All communication equipments have got 2 power supply cards. May be functional, may not be functional today, because you fellows would have, when it has gone out, you would not have got it rectified. All those maintenance should be done. 2 power supply cards should be there. Whenever you replace the battery and charger, put the old charger also available. At least it will give some backup. Okay, and power sharing can be done. So now recently I have asked you people to go for 24 volts charger, split the 48 volts into 2 banks, put a 24 volt charger, put a 24 volts 48 DC-DC converter with the same bank, which can be split into 2 with gallon can make the power supply. Trial can be made. That is done at all wayside stations. You can easily do the power supply redundancy for all telecom circuits. Bring the exchange and put it in the same place, automatically 2 banks will be available. You can give it. So like that, some integration can be done, telecom integration can be done, and more than one place equipment should not be there in any place. And only one power source should be there at every place. Even at divisional office, you will be having an exchange, you will be having other equipments, networking equipment, video conference equipment, everything should have 148 volts power supply. From there, distribution should be there. And you can have another bank, second 48 volt power supply to supply the second feeder. And that 48 volts with a fuse, you can bring it, run it throughout the divisional office for feeding all other equipments also. That means divisional office will have only 2 banks available in a place. Bring everything out, that will be the source. Okay, it can be brought as 48 volts, it can be brought as 230 volts, it can be brought as 12 volts also. Not like it is not a big thing. And when control office, it will have only one bank. All equipment should be shifted there. Okay, if you see there, one place 24 volts will be there, one place 48 volts will be there, 2-3 UPSs will be sitting. Okay, all those museum will be available if I get into the control office. Okay, and in between 6SL also will be available for some phone, and then tertiary cell also will be available. You will have museums of power banks. That is not correct. So work scientifically, reduce the asset, especially power banks will have to be reduced, and it should all be failure free. Okay, then things will improve, and you will be able to go for movie with your family without thinking that you will be called in between. Is what is required. Okay. The next one, which is more important in SNT, is what I have seen. The statistics says 95% of the people will not know what they are doing, will not know what they are supposed to do. Right? They will not know at all what they are supposed to do. First thing, they should have the knowledge, they should acquire knowledge, and JEs and SSC should spend time in teaching them everything. Okay, this is applicable for both signaling and telecom. Okay, so I have started interview of the people who have got selected as ASTs itself. I asked only one question: What is the difference between ordinary battery and maintenance free battery? Very difficult. Okay, now I am telling you there are two, three differences. One is the charging current. Maximum charging can be done, charging or discharging can be done by C by 5 for maintenance free battery. That means you can draw higher current. If 200 Ah battery is there, you can draw 40 amps. You can charge it with 40 amp charging. Okay, whereas LM battery, it will be only C by 10. 20 amp charger and 20 amp discharge only is possible. Beyond that, you cannot discharge, plates will get buckled. Okay, so lower capacity can be provided if maintenance free battery is used, C by 5. Whereas for a 3 amps charging, you put 200 Ah battery, 3 amp discharge load at wayside station, 120 Ah itself is very high. Whereas you require, what is the ampere hour capacity required for a 3 amps? 15 Ah is required. 40 Ah is sufficient. You put 120 Ah. Okay, so this is one difference. So maintenance free battery, people say maintenance free is maintenance free, sir. This is LM is maintenance. You'll have to top up. Maintenance free actually is not maintenance free. Some maintenance is required. Okay, that when I come to the site, I'll teach all of you. Maybe in one meeting, IRSC meeting, I should be able to teach in December. Okay, maintenance free battery is with very little maintenance. LM battery, you will have to top up. So if you do overcharging, you will have to frequently pour liquid. So normally the adjustment of voltage for LM battery, anything you abuse, you will accept. Finally, water will boil out and come out. Okay, whereas maintenance free battery, if you overcharge it, it will die. Automatically, if gas will come out, it will die. You cannot overcharge it. Okay, and maintenance free battery doesn't give flames. The fumes will not come. The fumes will not come, so it can be kept in the same equipment room, whereas LM battery cannot be kept in the equipment room. What I have seen in many places, where battery room is there, charger also is provided with LM battery in the same room. Even today I have seen. That is there. Okay, for signaling installation. Because equipment room is small. Okay, and he puts a standby charger for 110 volts. IPS, a standby charger. Battery room is very big. Sir, IPS room, the originally battery room, I have put IPS here. So it is small, I cannot accommodate the charger. I put it in the battery room. That means the charger, when you want to use it, it already would have died because of the fumes getting in. Okay, such mistakes cannot be done. This is the basic difference which nobody knows. Okay, I have asked all the three fellows did not know. Okay, that is the ASC level. Supervisor level, very few people have told. It can be installed in the same room. C by 10, C by 5, very difficult. Say. So all these things you should know on fingertips. Okay. South Central, if you go, most of the fellows will know. And here easy going. If you know all these things and if you are technically sound, you can easily get through. So, like one is afraid of writing exam, Group B exam. We had 7 vacancies. Finally, 10 fellows were to appear, 6 fellows appeared, and 3 fellows only passed. Okay, what happened to so many eligible fellows? Why they have not appeared? So now LDC has been called for. We don't know how many fellows are going to apply. Where you don't have confidence. Supervisors don't have confidence in becoming ASCE, leave alone the management at later date. You don't have technical knowledge to compete and come through. Wrong. Okay. And I have given the simplest question ever. Okay. The draft question what I received from another officer was altered so much. to make it simple. In fact, principal financial advisor, I purposely given two answers, either A or C. Same thing. Even then, below they made mistake there also. Okay. That means people are not knowing what is what. So I have purposely given so that sure shot one mark will come. That mark has been taken, two more fellows would have passed. 58 marks. Like that, many are there. Please acquire knowledge. Daily 1 hour. Share, share, share. That is why RSC meetings are being conducted. You should know everything. Advanced order circuit. Okay. If I ask, what is advanced order circuit? Sir, that is a last stop signal. It is controlled by line clear block instrument, and after taking line clear only it can be cleared. That's all has to be told. No, people are not knowing even that to tell. Like this, you should have fingertip. Now, root clearance circuit, if I ask, that's all. ZR1, ZR2, very difficult. Root initiation circuit, LR, very difficult to get answers from anybody. That side I have not touched even in the question. Okay? It is very difficult. So that is the standard of supervisors, means where we are ending. Okay? That is why we are facing a lot of difficulty from all other departments. They are bulldozing us since we are not technically that sound. Okay? So we should know all the things on fingertips. Please, please learn things. Okay? And master the signaling and telecom, your domain and others' domain also. Right? If you are a telecom inspector, you should know signaling also. Go with him and learn. If you are a signaling fellow, learn telecom also, OSP equipment. Now, if I ask people to configure, I can coolly say, if you are fit for promotion, okay, this STM1 is given, you program this channel, some 10 channels you will program on this particular thing. Okay, 10 pipes you program. If I tell like this, that's all, no fellow will get through. Very difficult. Okay, this should be known to all the inspectors. Why telecom signaling fellow also should know how to configure, because tomorrow everything is configuration only. Okay, even on EI you will be only doing configuration. Okay, it is only customization of equipment. We call it in commercial term customization. So equipment will come with standard facilities customized to your return. This port will give this output. This port will be programmed to this input. That's all. Output, whatever the logic will be defined by you. It is a black box. So all those things should be known. You people should start programming. Okay, just like laptop, it is all customized. Where the taskbar has to come, it has to come. How the folder creation is done, it should be known. So at least that let people know. Okay. So this is what I always tell. Of course, clerical people today are not there. Normally, clerical people will have to be stronger in driving the entire battalion. Okay. In bringing statistics and taking the statistics, who has done what, it is not being done. Even inspections, whether people have done the inspection or not, are also not being followed up. Okay, this is what is the main issue which is happening in SNT. We will have to change. We can change the scenario. Wherever I have gone, I have changed the scenario. In fact, Southwest, I was there hardly for 9 months as PCST. 9 months, wherever I have gone to sites, I have only spent around 1 or 2 hours with the maintainer, taught them all the things, and taken dry fruit laddu with them. Okay, and in 2.5 hours, I'll go out for picnic. Okay, that's all I used to spend, and large scale improvement has come. Signal failures are not there at all. Okay, that is what is there. Telecom, large scale improvement has come. So this is what I have done. Southern, of course, I didn't have that much time because of the COVID issue. So I have looked at improvement. Jolarpet we have commissioned. Maniachi we have gone for commissioning. Some LCK at Palakkad. I said unless it is commissioned, I will not get out of the place. Night 10 o'clock, the SM was asked to stay back after getting permission for closing the station. He stayed back and commissioned it. Okay, and a lot of IBSs are getting commissioned. So now I have come here and you people have done 10 plus today 3 inauguration is a good thing. You should all know. So this is what is my advice. Learn, learn, learn. Okay, not only here, even many other outside field also you should know how to know driving. Okay, two-wheeler, four-wheeler driving you should know. Herbal remedies you should know. Cooking you should know. Many things you people should learn. You cannot be simply going to hotel and eat. Okay. If you are getting transferred somewhere, take a room, create the cooking facility, sit there, cook and eat, and then come to office with the bag of for lunch. Evening you go back and cook. That should be the confidence which should be there with all the fellows. Then you may not spoil your health. Okay. Though I have been abusing my body too heavily, but wherever I have gone, first 3 months, somewhere I stay with my friends or somewhere I do cooking myself. Okay. In fact, last week when I came back from Bangalore, I have taught cooking to the salon attendants also. Okay, how to make upit. So here afterwards, they will not go out for food. They'll make it themselves. Okay, this is how we should learn things. Now we will come to the better part of motivation by me. So I have told everybody, all railway men, right, who are on a pensionable job, most of you will be there on a pensionable job. You are all crorepathies. Okay. The explanation is you are supposed to get around 30,000 rupees pension, which is equivalent to a crore available with railways. Okay. So that means you are all crorepathies. Your family members should respect you because with better dignity that you are a crorepathy. They are dealing with crorepathies. So I explained yesterday to RRB people. Okay. To pay you 3.6 lakhs without getting any work done, that means a crore of money is required, which has been put on FD by government, and the interest of it is being given. Okay, the 3.6 lakh what you are getting is every year you will get a 3% increment or 6% plus DA increase is 3% minimum increment will be there. Next is 3% around 3-4% DA will also be there. So 6% or so increment is coming. That means the 3.6 lakhs will go on grow year by year. Maybe after 10 years, the 3.6 lakh will become around 5 lakhs. Okay. If you calculate for the next 10-15 years, a crore is required by government. Without that, they cannot give you pension. Okay. That means you are all crorepathy and government is having 1 crore on your name in fixed deposit for giving you pension. For all people, right from Kalasi, who is there in a pensionable job, is a crorepathy. The people who are not, who are on new pension scheme, better you contribute. Working, no? Right. Better you contribute at least 30% of your salary in investment, FD or whatever you want, and so that by the time you get retired, you will be a crorepathy automatic. Okay, we are all. I am worth. Actually, if I live up to 85 years, government should have got 10 crores to feed my pension. Okay, every officer of my rank who is getting retired, government from my salary, they have saved at least 10 crores in the with the government, it is available. Okay, so on that only the interest of it, they are paying me the pension. Okay, so I am worth 10 crore billionaire. Okay, so you are all crorepati's. So railway has brought us up so much. We'll have to return back to railways with better work. Okay, so what you like if I had not come to railways, I am not in such a position. I would have been working somewhere in some private firm where I would have got condemned. Okay, or I would have done research in defense. I would have been assisting Abdul Kalam, of course. Okay, research and this much exposure and this much position I would not have got. That is why I feel indebted to railways in motivating all of you. Okay, so for clerical staff in headquarters, I have given only one thing. Daily you prepare one new letter per day. They have not yet complied that. That means daily one letter if you prepare, my office, every reply can be given on the same day. That is what is the output required. So how much surplus staff we are having? For preparing one letter, we are paying around 2,000 rupees per day for people. Okay, same thing. If you calculate uh, your salary also, it is around 2,000 rupees per day. Are we able to do 2,000 rupees worth per day? Okay, you take a mason, he gets 900 rupees, 750 to 900 rupees per day. How much work he is doing? Of course, he is doing a better exercise to be more healthy than all of us. A mason carpenter is getting less, is getting paid less and much healthier because he is doing proper exercise. Okay, that is what I am telling about the money value of you and what you people should give back to railways. What salary for which we will have to work. Why we should do work, I come to the next. Okay, so now everybody, if anybody sits at home idle, that fellow will become sick. He has to do some exercise. Okay, rich people after retirement, I will also have to do exercise. If I cannot work hard like what I am doing today, where I'll be doing exercise? I'll become a member in a gym. Right now, what I have to pay is 10,000 rupees per month. Okay, a reasonable gym which is placed well, where treadmill, this, that, everything is there, air conditioning is there. I have to pay 10,000 rupees per month. Okay, some places, all those big shots, money and company have to do exercise, they may be paying 1 lakh per month, or they would have invested a crore on the gym equipment. Okay, for doing the exercise. So, what is happening is all big people, rich people, they have to pay money for doing exercise. Whereas for doing exercise, all of us are being paid money by government. We are all doing exercise. A maintainer is doing maintenance as an exercise. Go to the point, do this. He is doing exercise. Okay, for which money is being paid by government. You do sincerely, you do exercise. Your health is also okay, you get good money. Okay, you, most of you, if you are doing the work, don't do the work for your salary. Do work as an exercise. Take it as a hobby. Okay, so mine, the watch what I am wearing today gives how much steps I have put in. Today already 5,748 steps I have already put in. Daily minimum count is 10,000 steps per day. If I don't get 10,000 steps, I cannot sleep well. Yesterday I have not slept well. It was ending up 5,200. You people did not allow me to do exercise. I had to travel. I had to sit and give lecture inauguration. Okay, I lost 5,000 steps yesterday. I could not sleep well. Today, that is why 5:30 onwards I have been walking. Okay, that is what we do. So that you people normally make it as a hobby and do walk up to the distance signal and come. That itself is a good exercise. Along with that, you see what is the signaling installation and do it. Right. And I don't allow my peon to iron cloth. I have got a Bangla peon being paid 22,000 per month. He doesn't iron my cloth. I will not allow, because 2, 3, this one will come. I also do exercise. I also let to spend time. Okay. Otherwise, what I will do otherwise? Okay. So I iron my cloth. After ironing cloth, to put it in hanger, put it in the showcase, I take one by one cloth. I don't take everything together. One cloth I'll go and put, second cloth I'll take and put it. That is all the exercise. Okay. That type of thing you start doing. So now, and in addition to that, my wife will say, you give me water, okay, I'll take and give. Daughter will say, you bring the phone, okay. I happily will do. I'll not say, no, you have to do yourself. No, nothing. They are all spoiling their health, whereas I am improving their health. Okay. That is the status. So if you all follow this principle, your health will go on improve, and railway will see all healthy people. Okay. What statistics show is whoever is working very sincerely without feeling that I am doing more work, they are all very healthy. Okay. Whoever is doing work as a hobby, they are all very healthy. Okay. I am still healthy in spite of abusing my body too heavily. Sometimes I don't eat food without completing certain work. No timely food and all. Still I am healthy because I am very cool in my work. Okay. System definition. Okay. This is the second one. You all have joined railways in S&T department. S&T department is one of the best department, though everybody outside will feel that you have joined in a useless department and you are all servant to all other people. Okay, what they will say. But it is a very good department where I'll tell you, we are all born here to uh, live in a better lifestyle. Okay, next generation should be brought up, created, brought up, who will be in a better position than us. Okay, S&T department, more than 99% of the cases, the children would have studied more than the parents, and they are all in very good position. That means we have taken care of the children, whether knowingly or unknowingly. All of us have taken care of their children. They've all got well-disciplined people. Whereas you take loco pilots, take guards, around 60% of the children are all rogues, because they are getting running allowance, they are getting huge money. It is not, they are not able to spend time with their children. Odd time they got, odd time they come. They are not able to spend time with their children. Their children are all having bad habits, drinking habits, stealing habits, many things. 60%. The remaining 40%, luckily, if the local parent is a male, his wife may be well-disciplined lady. Those 40% cases are like that. Okay, that is what is there. So be happy that you are in a good department where you will be able to take care of the children. If anybody has got any difficulty, please call me. Even after retirement, I can come to your house and counsel you and your children to be, I can have 1 or 2 sittings, okay, and I can sort out your issues where what is required. Okay, it will not be the case. I have seen very few people, okay, where some family counseling I have done and made the husband and wife die. Okay, that's all I have done to many families. Children, because of that issue, children have come up to a degree type. Okay, any 10th standard fellow or diploma holder in S&T, the children would have done minimum degree. It is what is available. If you find anybody doing even ITA and stopping, relevant children, SMT official children. I want to see them personally, what mistake they have done in the life. I want to see. Okay, this is what is there. So you should all be very happy. So spend time with the family, go home early, okay, and don't take office work to the house. Don't bring house work to the office. Say normally as supervisor, as officer, I used to tell I have joined in a department, okay. So I have got the facility, very good facility, where I can fire any number of people. If my wife fires me in the morning, I can come and fire 10 fellows. Okay, while going home, if my wife is going to fire me, I can fire 10 fellows and then go home. This is what I used to tell. Were not much occasions. Okay, don't do this. You all supervisors are having that facility. Don't do this at all. Please encourage your fellows, be with them, pat them. Even if somebody has done a mistake once, twice, get it adjusted. Okay, if you have counseled them properly and educated them properly, they may not do the mistake again. Okay, and teach them. What is there, you do it. Okay, so I always go to site. First thing I ask is what is how to test the insulation with fault injection method. Okay, till today, nobody has told me that it is possible to test like this. When I fire AC, and then how they are not done. They have not learnt. Artisans of ESM should learn fault injection method. Second point opening, I just check. These two, if you are able to do, and power supply and protection arrangement properly done, all of you can relax. Regular maintenance, you do your exercise. Go there, do all the measurements, do your exercise, walk. If your exercise, if you feel that it is not sufficient, go up to distance signal and come back. Every day, one distance signal, if you visit and come back, you will all be healthy. This is what is required by all the people, right? Take care of the family members, take care of your neighbors even. Okay, whatever is their need. I normally take care of lot of retired officials. Wherever I go, I'll go to their house, whatever is their need. Sometimes Madras 150 CST, you will say, sir, I want mango. Okay, mango, normally I can purchase and send it through somebody else. I carry myself to their house. Where I spend some time with the people, elders, and then take their blessing and come. It is all as at this level also I do. Many of my relatives, when I go, I do the service to them also. Elders, I do all service. So I always feel that I am younger. If I go by bus in our district, normally anybody who is above 50, I am reaching 60. Above 50, who is elderly, I get up and give them the seats. And I have got half an hour I can coolly stand. Absolutely no issue. The person will also be happy. I also will be happy that I am doing exercise. Okay, I am standing for some time. It is also an exercise. I always give. So I still feel that I am not able to see my old face myself unless I see the mirror once in a day. Otherwise, I always feel that I am still younger. Okay, one joke nowadays comes right now. So if you want to see beautiful ladies even after your death, please donate your eyes. What they see. Okay. So if you feel younger, you can, while living also, you can do the same thing. Okay. That you always should feel that you are younger. It is possible. Keep the youth. Keep always moving. Don't feel the tiredness on any work. You should feel energetic. So normally I always tell the people that get down somewhere, even on office vehicle, walk. So many times I get down in my brother's house, next 1,000 steps I walk. Sit with my brother for some time and come walk. 1,000 steps ahead of my house. We always do. So don't feel bad if somebody asks some help. Please help them. Okay. Whenever you see an accident, get down and help the people and then move. When somebody is pushing a rickshaw or an auto, get down and help them to push the auto rickshaw in a slope. Okay. Help and then go further. Okay. It is an exercise for you. It is help for him. Those type of help, if you start doing, you will always be feeling very happy. Okay. So this I do it as a service to many of my friends. After retirement, there will be almost 50% help to the people who are elderly. I spend a lot of time with many of the retired people. Corona has spoiled that also. Okay. Yesterday I could not go to my father-in-law's house and do anything. I was banned from getting in. He will give corona to them. So I've been banned. So I had gone, seen them and come back. Oh, okay. So be energetic and then remember me always. Okay, that is what, because this is not my farewell speech. I'll come once again to give farewell speech. Okay, so let us all see that a change in environment after this lecture comes in after for the next 1 month. Okay, change the Trivandrum division totally. This is what I am telling all the divisions. Okay, spend time with your family, spend time in the work, respect elders, and then respect superiors. Sometimes superiors will be cranky also. Doesn't matter. Respect them. So I always had many cranky superiors. Still, I had not blasted them. Okay. I used to smile at them. In actions, I would have blasted them. In writing, I will do. But personally, I have not abused them at all. Even when I got 3.05 APR grade, and I have not got affected anywhere in my promotion. All promotions I got in time, all foreign trips I got in time. In spite of many times I had cranky bosses and cranky APRs. I got my foreign trips, which was based on APR only. Okay, once I've gone, twice I've gone abroad. Okay, so that way I didn't lose anything in railways. I am one of the very happy fellows, though I had got 18 transfers, I think, in my service, and 12 districts I have seen, and 22 houses I have occupied. Okay, this is what is history. I am one of the very happy fellows who are retiring from service, while retiring from service. December I am getting retired. One of the very happy fellows. Okay, even now people can put me in a vigilance case even. I will not bother. Okay, like many people are trying also. I will not bother. I make mistake also. But still I am happy. I have done duty for railways. So, and I was telling now, for 2000 rupees per day you do the work. My salary is not 2000 per day. It is, with the facilities I utilize, it is around 20,000 rupees per day. If I waste one day time, 20,000 rupees loss to railways. So I have to be more effective, which many works what I have done have given more than 2-3 crores of gain. Now also one work I am proposing, which will be presented in the next week, which may get implemented in the next 2-3 months, is going to give 15 to 20 crores gain per year. Okay, like this, many works I have done. That means hundreds of crores I have saved for railways. That means those money can be kept in the bank. I wanted only 10 crores in the bank by railways to give me my pension. I would have saved 100, much more than 100 crores for railways. So I have done my duty. I want every one of you to do your duty and have the satisfaction that I have done my duty to the government. For my much more than my salary, I have done. Because with one person working like us, 10 more fellows will be enjoying. I would like to compensate. I have compensated that year. I got that is why I'm going with full happiness to break off after 3 months. Now I'm counting days, 68 more days. Okay, that is what is there. So be happy. Anybody having any difficulty, personal, official, anything, you people can come to me at any time. I'll be in touch with many railway circles in Southern Railway. Um, so you will be able to get my number from anywhere. Okay. Especially Trondheim division, I'll be disturbing the people very frequently. You will get my number. So you can speak to me, and I would like to personally visit to your place. I may not call you to my place for counseling. I'll come to your place, spend time with you, and then even your neighbors also having some problem. Okay, if some company is having some problem, call me. I can set right the system in the next 1 week, counsel them, the company can come up. Okay, I can guide them so much. So that way I've got very heavy confidence that once I visit, I can change the entire atmosphere, even on certain private concerns. So on Point Machine Company, I have guided them, they have improved the quality, and they are today, they have got the ADESO approval last week. Okay. So many other products, Podanur will be taking from Trivandrum division. Yesterday you have done very good thing in producing large number of new products. Okay, innovations, and few people are working on it. Every one of you can do it. This is what I want. Change the environment, save money for yourself at a later date, though it may not be required for railwaymen. So I need not save any money. The day I get retirement, I'm getting a crore which I can give it to my family members. Still, I'm a crorepati. Still, I need not take care of any of my savings. Even if my wife and my children leave me in the lurch anywhere, still I will be able to survive till death. Because medical insurance is there, doctors will take care, or railway hospital will take care of me. There is there. Huge pension, somebody will take care of me. Still it is there. So that is what is there with every one of you. Be confident. Okay. You should not be feeling bad that, oh, this happens, nothing. Don't have confidence in you. If you are healthy, the confidence will be there with you. Be healthy. That is the only mantra you should have. Okay. The last one, I always tell that improve the environment around you. Plant some trees, do some water conservation, don't waste water, switch off lights, fans, okay, don't waste energy. In fact, I used to pay in when I was in 2000 and all, my electricity bill used to be 60 rupees to 100 rupees. Now my electricity bill is around 700 rupees. With so in my house, I always go around and switch off lights. More than two lights cannot be simultaneously on. Nowadays, slight relaxation is there. Third light can be on. Otherwise, it's not possible. Okay, I'll go on rounds. If I am there at home, everything will get switched off. Okay, more than two fans cannot be on. Two, and I don't use fan at all. If I want fan, my wife, wherever she is there with the fan on, I'll sit by the side. I don't switch on fan separately for me. Not there. Or my daughter switched on fan means I'll sit by their side. No fan will not be switched on by me for my sake. So that is what I do. Electricity bill will be totally down. Water, very little water I use. Okay, so save so much for the country. any energy is saved is energy generated. Is what I always give lecture. So if I audit somebody's house, so 2,000 rupees bill will become 10,000 rupees bill with counseling. Okay, it has happened to many people. So what I want to bring in all of you, plant some trees. If you have got a land, maybe an acre land, please plant some 100 teakwood trees in the border alone. With 3 feet gap, you can plant teakwood trees. The border alone, if you plant, will be around 100 trees. 100 trees will be equivalent to a crore after 25 years. Crores of money of today after 25 years. We have one teakwood tree, a grown up tree is costing 1 lakh. So if you have planted 100 trees and taken care of for the next 6 months, after 25 years, you will be an equivalent of 1 crore of money on the hand today. It might have grown in 25 years to 10 crores. At that time, it will be worth 10 crores. Okay. If you have got land, please plant trees, useful trees. I have told only one tree, mango tree, lemon tree, tamarind tree, all those things if you put, you will be able to get return. So in service you do it, after retirement it will all give you yield. So this is what my father has done, lot of tree plantation for us, we can utilize it now. Okay. So including cocoa trees are there in our land. So he has done a lot. So that I will be doing for my children now. After retirement, I will be starting in large scale. Okay. So many of you people also can participate. In fact, today afternoon, evening 5 o'clock, Scouts and Guide Fellowship organization, I am the president of it, will be taking a oath that they'll plant 1 tree per month per head for the next 6 months and make it grow for the next 6 months. Okay, that means they'll all be 6 lakh worth if they have planted a teakwood tree. Many other trees also will give similar yield. 6 lakhs worth of today. So this will make them plant more trees, it will become a habit on them. So they will all become crorepati very quickly and they will try to acquire land and plant trees also. It is all a habit change in them I want to bring. It is going to be done today. Okay, I am not asking them to plant in railway land. I am asking them to plant in their own land and or their friend's land. I want, it is all personal benefit I want them to gain as a habit. So they will educate so many other people when they gain, maybe after 4 or 5 years. This is what I am going to do. Please do this for yourself also. I am doing some education. If at least some 10% of you out of 50 fellows, 50 plus 5, 55 fellows, 60 fellows. Okay, out of 60, 10% means 6 people do tree plantation in the next 1 month, 1 tree, next 2 months, 2 trees per head. So it is a good number for me. Okay, so please do useful tree plantation. Don't do gulmogar, this, that, what doesn't give yield. You do what is going to be useful for you. Teakwood, rosewood, badam, lemon, mango, tamarind, sapota, whatever is there. And make it grow. See, enjoy seeing it grow like your children growing. So they'll also have to be treated as children to grow. Okay. So this is what is required. Enjoy life. Any help at any time you want, you can come to me. Okay. If I am able to help, I'll help you. So some people ask for request answer. I am able to help. Okay, I'll help. If I am not able to help. Okay, you are not lucky. That's all. Or you can consider me as inefficient. That also I accept. Okay. I always tell the people, come to me. If we are asking for EQ, I'll try my level best. If I get it, you are lucky. If you don't get EQ, I am inefficient. I accept it. Okay, this is what I always tell. Okay, so be happy. So one more lecture is there. I'll keep certain points for the last final lecture. Okay. So anybody wants to have any, at least one or two people should speak right now. Okay. Sunil Kumar. Sunil Kumar. Switch on video and come. See, that means nobody is listening. They all gone out.
Sunil.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
My lecture is okay.
Okay, sir. Nice, sir.
You could get something out of it. Okay.
Hello, sir.
So that is good right now. Vishnu I have seen yesterday. Sajay I have seen. Srijit.
Srijit, apprentice. Hey.
Srijit. Come online, Srijit.
Hello, sir.
Srijit, when did you join railways? When did you join railways?
Sir, I joined on February, sir.
February.
Last
Okay, 1 year
February.
back. Right. You tell
No,
me
sir,
how
I
many LIC
joined
policies you
on
have taken.
2020 February only, sir. I am JE apprentice.
Right. Alright, JE apprentice 2020 February. Okay, you already spent 8 months. How many
Yes,
LIC
sir.
policies you have taken? How many LIC
Only,
policies you have taken?
only now one, sir.
Now you have taken already.
Yes, already one LIC policy, sir.
How much amount?
It's
much
actually
amount?
2,500 per year I am paying, sir.
Right. Okay. Good. That means you have got into the habit of saving some money. Okay. Do something. Are you married?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Are you married?
Yes, sir. Married. I have one kid also, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Married, sir.
What is your wife doing? What is
She
your
is
wife?
housewife only, sir.
Housewife only. Right. That means you have
Pardon, sir?
taken the first step. You have taken the first step well. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
open
Okay,
one
sir.
RD on your child's name. Maybe 100 rupees or 500 rupees is the next
Okay, sir.
RD on a monthly basis, 1 year RD. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you
Okay,
start
sir.
that. Okay. So my
Okay, sir.
advice is have some LIC policy, have some medical insurance may not be required for railwaymen now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Maybe after
Yes.
around 30, 35, you can start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now
Okay, sir.
make some RD. Okay. All
Okay, sir.
others are
Yes, sir.
listening. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Children name, you just do the RD. Okay. And lock the money.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is what is required. Yesterday I have taken, in fact, whatever money I spend, the credit will go to my daughter. Yesterday I have taken ticket for my friend's daughter. Okay, so the account number which will go to my friend for crediting that money will be my daughter's account. It gets siphoned. Okay, so that is what many of you will have to do. Spend, like all savings should be there in children and wife's name. One more advice I'll have to tell everybody is open a bank account for all the family members. Take PAN card for all people who are above 18. Okay. Take passport for all family members. Keep it ready. Okay. When you people all will be in a good position to go for foreign tour, luxury tour. Okay. Working in railways, that type of money will be available for you to go abroad on jolly trips also. Low cost jolly trips, plenty are there. 20,000 rupees, they'll take you to Sri Lanka and for 3 days and bring you back. Possible. So all those things you'll be able to go. So keep passports for every family member. Take account number for every family member, and take PAN card for all the people who are above 18. Okay, this should be done by monitoring right now. So Umid card, I suppose everybody would have taken. Whoever has not taken Umid card from your staff also, please see that they are taking Umid card, they apply and take. Okay, for every one of the family members, individual card can be taken, and this can be used as an ID card even. Umid card can be used as an ID card even. Okay, so other card, of course, you would have taken. These are all small guidance. In fact, many places I have forced people to apply for passport. Workshop and all, I have forced every supervisor to apply for passport. Many of them have taken also. So all of you can apply for passport. And LDC, we have called for volunteers, I suppose. It has come now. Right? All people can start learning, and then all eligible people should apply.
5 are applying from this.
All right, good. And all should apply and appear. Say, I have appeared in engineering service on my father's pressure, not prepared anything. I went and put task and written objective type answer, and I got through. Those days, the negative marks were not there. Okay, I got through very easily. There is what is there. So apply, write in large number. We should get at least 10 times people to write exam LDC, and at least double, triple number should get through, so that all the 3 posts, vacant posts, have got fellows. Okay, this is what is required. Okay, Krishnan.
Krishnan, there is Radha.
Radhakrishnan,
Radhakrishnan.
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Right, how are you? Right,
fine,
you tell
sir.
me
Thank you,
how many medical insurance you are having? Are you having any medical insurance?
I don't have any medical insurance, sir. Only railway medical
Right.
ID card.
How many LIC policies you are having?
LIC I don't have, sir, but another insurance is there, sir. Life
What is the
insurance.
insurance? Huh?
United India, sir. United India.
United India. Okay, good,
Sir.
good. What is the value? Per year, how much you contribute?
Sir, it was actually connected with that housing loan. They have made it compulsory. So
Oh, right. On children's name, how many policies you have taken?
I got one policy for my daughter, sir. Life
For
insurance.
your daughter.
Yes,
For
sir.
your wife? No.
Wife, no, sir.
Wife, no. Right. Okay. And then all of them are having PAN card?
PAN card, wife is having, sir. Daughter is not having.
Why?
I will take, sir.
She is more than 21 now.
Yes,
You
sir.
apply and get it. Right now, let them have. Okay.
That's
All
it.
all the fixed deposit you put on somebody's name. Say, for me, if I put on my name fixed deposit, on the interest I have to pay 30% tax. So I am already siphoning out. I am donating to my wife. All fixed deposit is given to my wife. Okay. So I don't require that money back.
Okay.
Wife and daughter, I am giving all my surplus money goes to them. Okay. My bank account will be emptied very quickly. Okay, right? Please follow these type of principles. Make your family members be happy. Let them give you respect well right now, because you are a crorepati. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
you only tell this concept to them that I am a crorepati. You people should give me better respect. This is what CSC has told. Okay.
This lecture was
So
very
wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Wish you all the best. Okay. Passport also. You got passport?
No, I have not taken, sir.
No, apply. All should be compulsory. No, maybe LDC, whoever has applied, I will permit them to write exam only when they get passport. Okay.
Okay,
I
sir.
will tell them. Okay, all. See, today it may not be useful. A time will come where you will have to use it. Okay.
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
So I have not told you that everybody should know how to send email. Email everybody should have email address, you should know how to work on the computer, this, that. Everybody should know. Now, all of you would have already come to know. Right up to Kalasi, everybody should know. Okay. Right. Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, I'll come to every one of you, interact with you. Thank you. So next month I'll be visiting Nagarcoil, almost full day inspection. 2 days I'm going to spend. Full
Thank you,
day
sir.
or 1.5 days at Nagarcoil, both telecom and signaling installation, make everything perfect. Okay.
Definitely,
Before
sir.
my visit, 1 month time is there.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Right. Thank you. Thank you. All the best, all of you. Wish you all a healthy life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to our PCST sir. In fact, it was a very good, nice section. Sir has explained us the importance of maintaining our assets properly. He has reminded us of the another important thing is owning your assets, owning your S&T assets, and also he explained us the its importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, taking care of our family, spending quality time with our family, taking care of the environment, everything, and also remind us of our responsibility towards the railways. So thanks, sir. Thanks for all these kind of advices. We will take it all in good spirit and we will try to implement everything, sir. Trivandrum division will continue to perform better. Thanks, sir. And thanks to all the SSCs, SSC signals, SSC teles, JEs, apprentice, everyone for joining this section. We'll close this section for now, as of now. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.